Hi besties, in this video today I am going to show you guys how you can easily do your knotless braid in two easy way. To my returning subscribers, thank you guys so much. If you are here to subscribe, please consider doing that. So simple, this is how you can easily do your knotless braid. After parting your hair, you are free to use your comb as a beginner to divide the hair into three parts. Okay, I didn't say into four, I didn't say into two, rather into three. So when you are done dividing it, is exactly what I did. Grab the hair and then you start braiding. Okay, don't get confused with my voice. You can follow my video, like what I'm doing, you understand exactly what I'm trying to explain. So small by bit and start adding your extension. See how I'm adding the extension. Remember what we are learning here, how to do your knotless braids in two easy ways, two easy methods. So this is the first one, the first method. I'm going to show you guys the second one. So when you add your extension that we see, so from behind you grab the hair just the way you do your boss braid. Okay, so now to join your extra extension, you see the thumb, you see where I place the extension. So this is one way, which I'm going to show you guys another way. So the hand that is holding that thumb, the same, that particular one you added the extension, have to grab one part of that hair. I mean the extra one you added. Watch what I'm doing. You see that? Then that one has to hold one while you first of all braid the, for me is my left side now. Okay, you braid the left side before you now braid the right side. Why you are doing this, so that it doesn't come up, like the extension you added won't come up on that hair, on that braid. It will be invisible. If you watch, you will see there's nothing like crossing, like you don't see any extension that is crossing. When if you do it that way, if you don't get it, if you didn't do it the right way, definitely it's going to cross, and that means you're not actually doing a knotless braid, you're not doing a good job. Okay, so add it that way, or this second way I'm going to show you guys. So after you comb smoothing your hair, you know you are doing knotless braid, so make sure your natural hair is well smoothed with your comb. Go ahead and divide the hair into three. Like I said, you are free to use your comb to divide. Normally I can just use my hand to divide it, but for beginners, if you find it difficult, just use your comb to divide. So you see what I'm doing. Okay, from there it will go under. One of the natural hair will be up, like on top of my thumb, and then the other one down. From the down, then I move. You secure the base first, make sure it's tight but not too tight. Then grab your extension, add it that way, and then you grab. Okay, I hope you guys are understanding what I'm showing you. If you have any question, please use the comment section, ask all your questions there. So guys, if you watch to this point, I know you've grabbed one or two lessons from this tutorial, then you can show your appreciation by sharing the video to your family and friends, like, say something in the comment section, and please guys, to stop skipping my ads. So you guys should stop skipping my ads. So this is the first way I showed you guys. Okay, so if you're making use of this particular one, you find it difficult, then you can make use of this second one. You see, so this was what I was talking about earlier. When you do that, when you get it the right way, it won't cross. Okay, you have that crossing part when you do this. So this is the second way. If the first method of adding the extension is you're finding it difficult, then use this particular one. I think this one is easier for you, for beginners anyways. So make use of any one you prefer. So you let go, leaving this one behind, you braid, and then you join the second one. So whether you use this one or you make use of the first one. Either way, anyone you prefer, they will give you the same result. So this is simply two ways you can do your knotless braids. Okay, if you are a beginner, remember what I told you guys. I am here to guide you in this braiding training or in this braiding learning process. Okay, if you have anything you want me to make tutorial on, let me know in the comment section. So this is how to easily make your knotless braid in two simple ways. Thank you guys for watching, and see you guys in the next tutorial video that I'll be dropping, which is how to easily part your knotless braids, like how to part your the full score. I'll be dropping that tutorial video tonight or tomorrow morning. See you guys. Don't miss it. Turn on your notification bell, guys. Bye.